Hello, today in this video we will learn how to create PHP MyAdmin database in cPanel. Here I use ProFreeHost free hosting site. So first log in your ProFreeHost account, then after login go to control panel. And here one option database. Here in the under database section, here with three options: PHP MyAdmin, MySQL Database, and Remote MySQL. First here click MySQL Database option, and here new database. Right here demo and create database. Let's see, my database is created. Here MySQL DB name, MySQL username, and MySQL password, and MySQL host name. And click here admin. We see database is created. This way you can create PHP MyAdmin database in ProFreeHost cPanel. Thank you.